So this is in reference to scenario A. This is the first part, and in scenario A, it's in reference to the students being asked to kind of go up in steps of 0.2, starting at 0.4. The common error here is that the students have done fine up until 0.8, but once beyond that is where the mistake lies. What I've noticed here, the mistake to be is a kind of a lack of understanding with the place values, which I think is the key concept in kind of working with decimal numbers. Um, so it's any number be add beyond the decimal point. When you add kind of another digit or another place value, you're making recognition of it. You're not actually making the number bigger. Henceforth, when you're doing sequences, the numbers aren't increasing. So I think that is the concept that is kind of going to miss here. I want the students to understand that going up in 0.2s, once you do kind of go above the point and move into double digits, that if it's prior to the decimal point, you then push your values, you push them to the left one. When it increases, not just adding a zero to the end of the decimal point, it's something that it's still inclusive of the number. I think they're treating it something separate, something that can, go over to any extent when there is actually a limit on it, as is the point of place values. So I think that is, although they're kind of covering decimals and um, sequences to some degree, I think there is kind of something that need to be clarified on place values, and it may give them more clarity on their comprehensions of addition and subtraction as well, and just in general mathematics. Because yeah, but the students have seemed to understand the movement of sequences. The numbers are right in themselves, in a sense, if you were to remove it, but it's just that understanding that's maybe gonna miss.